I'm going to be showing you how to get rope dart early in Where Winds Meet. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So if you're new to the game or you're just beginning and you want to get rope dart early, then here's how you manage it. The first thing you need to know is buy the rope dart weapon first. So you can obtain the rope dart weapon item early if you go to Shingda, the peddler at Heaven's Spear. So he sells rope dart weapons for around 500 coins. So this lets you have the weapon but not yet use its full martial arts skill. So getting the early weapon gives you access to the item, but you can equip it even before unlocking its combat skills. So to actually use rope dart martial art, you need to unlock the style. So there are two main ways. The first is to skill theft quest, so it is hard but useful. All you need to do is make sure you go to Kaifeng. You just need to look at the top left to find your map and search for Kaifeng here. Kaifeng is around this place right there. And you need to just complete that quest and it'll help you unlock it. So if you don't want to go that way, then you can also try doing this by joining the 9 Mortal Ways sect. So if you don't mind joining a sect, then you just need to travel to Harvestfall Village and complete the recruitment quest, join 9 Mortal Ways, and you'll immediately gain the rope dart. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.